Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Welcome back. Today is day 12 of our February handbag unboxing frenzy, where every day in the month of February I will be unboxing a handbag that I've added to my collection that I haven't showed to you guys. Now, as a disclaimer, if you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I make YouTube videos in my spare time. The bags that I am revealing every day this month are bags that I've actually added to my collection in the last couple of years, so it's not all handbags that I've bought in the month of February. That would be insane. But over the last 3 to 5 years that I've been collecting handbags, I haven't revealed everything just due to my lack of consistency on YouTube. So I am taking this initiative this month to reveal everything that I haven't shared with you guys on YouTube. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure to join my little YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So today we are back on Chanel. I am doing another Chanel reveal, and this one's going to be pretty exciting because it is a little bit of a Chanel classic. If you guys know me, I love a good vintage Chanel. It is one of my favorite sort of handbags to scour the internet for. It is just amazing, the quality, the different styles, and also you guys know I am a sucker for the giant CC. So are you ready for today's handbag reveal? Can't remember if this came with a dust bag, but it's just in this dust bag at the moment. Are you guys ready? It comes with these gold chains. I know you already know what it is. Are you ready? Please welcome the ever so classic and iconic gorgeous Chanel vintage jumbo maxi with the beautiful lambskin leather and the amazing 24 karat gold plated hardware. She is in absolutely gorgeous condition. This bag I did purchase in 2021. I was gonna say last year, but I cannot believe that 2021 was already 2 years ago. I did add this one to my collection because during that time, during 2020, 2021, I was kind of going mad for Chanel vintage bags. I was getting a lot of FOMO adding these bags into my collection because I could see that the prices were going up. So I will not lie, I did pay a pretty penny for this, but I love that she is in beautiful, pristine, gorgeous condition, as you can see there. And this is the jumbo size. There is another one called the maxi. I did get to style that from Hawkeye Vintage, and I've got it on my Instagram. I'll put some pictures here. That is a size bigger than this one. This is a jumbo, and the way you can tell is by counting the squares on the top. But if you open it up, the maxi actually has a CC on top, but the jumbo does not. When you open it inside, it's very plain, just like a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. It did come with its authenticity card, and it is a 4 series bag. I was really looking for one in full set because this to me is like an iconic sort of classic that I wanted to add to my collection for collectors purposes. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to get like a huge amount of wear out of this bag because it is such a big bag. I actually have this in the jumbo, the new jumbo as well, but they're both very different, so I can do a video comparing the both of them in the future. But this one is a lot more square, it's a lot more like flat as well, and I think that the giant CC on this is just absolutely stunning. My friend had it, and as soon as I saw it, I kind of really wanted to add it to my collection. I think this is just like quintessential Chanel vintage classic, and if you are a Chanel lover like myself, I think this is just something that every collector needs to have in their collection. I don't know what else to say about it. It's pretty basic. There's no feet on the bottom. The hardware are just absolutely massive. This is quite long on me because I'm 5 foot tall. This is most likely how I would wear this bag, just casually with like a an oversized sweater like this. This is actually from Dior. I got this from Hawkeye Vintage. The good thing is the strap drop is quite long. You can certainly shorten it, and I've seen people wear this like a briefcase, but I think I'd wear it sort of longer like this, and I think I think it's just so cute. I absolutely love it, and I love just seeing this on my shelf. It's such a showstopper. It's honestly so stunning. I actually haven't worn it out yet because when I bought it, big bags were only just coming back in, so I really want to wear this sort of a little bit closer to autumn when I'm wearing sweaters, because I feel like this looks good when you've got a few more layers, when you've got a few more things going on. I think it just looks big and bulky when you're wearing dresses and like when you've got a more spring summer outfit. So that's sort of when I want to wear this. But such a gorgeous bag. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really add this to my collection to wear. I just wanted it in my collection to have. Now, where I bought this from, I bought this from a Japanese reseller. I can't remember the name, but you can find a lot of these on the PRELOVED market. I would be patient. I feel like I rushed a little bit. I got a bit of FOMO. I thought that it would just continue to skyrocket, but since COVID has now settled down, the prices have also gone down a little bit. So just be patient to find the one that you really want. I do feel like the jumbo sizes of these vintage maxis are in better condition. If you have a look at the maxi sizes of these, they have a lot of wrinkling on the skin, on the leather, which I'm not sure. I think that the leather that they use is just a little bit more delicate, and it really did wrinkle a little bit more. But if you love that size, it's a gorgeous size, and I think it adds to just the character of it. This also did come in a caviar, but those are so expensive. They're really hard to find. So if you find a caviar, I think go for it. But the lambskin from this era is honestly to die for, and you really won't regret it because the wear and tear on this will hold up really well, I promise you. Like, I've used the backpack in the same type of leather and it holds up absolutely fantastically, and with the black you can sort of buff it and really bring back the shine. So anyways, you guys, that is my latest handbag for day 12. As I mentioned, I will have another one for you. I will have another bag to reveal and unbox for you tomorrow. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. Let me know what your thoughts are on this bag. Let me know if the Chanel Classic Jumbo is something that you have had your eyes on. I personally love this one way more than the original, like the newer double flap jumbos and even the single flap that I do have. But that's just me. The CC on this is just so statement. I absolutely love it. But anyways, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also if you're enjoying this series so far, remember to share with any friends or family if this is something they're interested in, and also give me a follow on my Instagram where I post pictures on how I style all of my bags. As always, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.